Hello everyone, in this video I am telling about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra unboxing first impression and the comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the S24 Ultra are two popular smartphones with impressive features. When it comes to physical difference, the S24 Ultra is slightly larger and however than the S23 Ultra. But both devices boast sleek design and high quality display. One area where the S24 Ultra stand out is its camera feature. The device boasts an advanced camera system which improved AI feature and local processing capability, enabling user to capture stunning photo and video with the SA. The camera system include a high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, and enhanced low-light performance, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. Battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra excel. The device boasts a larger battery than the S23 Ultra, providing a user with the larger battery life and more usage time. Additionally, the S24 Ultra features a more comfortable grip, making it easier to hold a use for extended periods. Overall, both the Samsung S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra are impressive devices with unique features and capabilities. However, in camera capability and battery life are top priority, the S24 Ultra may be the better choice. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts impressive AI feature and local processing capability. The device is equipped with the advanced AI capability that enable it to learn and adapt to user habit and preferences, providing a more personalized and seamless user experience. One of the key AI features of the Samsung S24 Ultra is its ability to optimize battery life. The device uses AI-powered algorithms to manage battery consumption, ensuring that the battery lasts as long as possible. Additionally, the S24 Ultra features local processing capability, which allow it to perform complex tasks quickly and efficiently without needing to rely on the remote server. Another benefit of a local processing capability of the Samsung S24 Ultra is improved privacy and security. By performing tasks locally rather than relying on cloud-based service, the device reduces the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Overall, the Samsung S24 Ultra AI feature and local processing capability make it a powerful and versatile device that is well suited to a wide range of tasks and applications. When it comes to battery life, the Samsung S24 Ultra is a powerhouse. It boasts a larger battery capacity compared to its predecessors, the Samsung S23 Ultra, which means a user can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of juice. The device also supports fast charging, so user can quickly power up their phone and get back to usage them in no time. As for the grip, the Samsung S24 Ultra has a sleek and slim design that make it comfortable to hold. However, some users may find a simpler due to its glossy finish. To address this concern, Samsung has included a transparent case in the box, which not only provide adding protection but also improved the grip. Overall, the Samsung S24 Ultra offers impressive battery life and a comfortable grip, making it a great choice for users who are always on the go and need a reliable phone that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.